Your fuel gauge says you have half a tank left, but you suddenly run out of gas in the middle of traffic, leaving you stranded with a car that will not start. If you see the code P2066 on your diagnostic tool, it means your powertrain control module is getting a weird signal from your fuel level sensor labeled B that does not match the normal operating range. This sensor is typically mounted right on top of your fuel pump module inside the gas tank, and it uses a mechanical arm to send a voltage signal back to the computer, so it knows exactly how much fuel you have left to calculate your distance to empty. This code often gets triggered if you refuel your vehicle while the ignition is still on, or if the engine is running because the computer sees the fuel level changing too fast and thinks there is a mechanical or electrical failure. You might notice your check engine light is on, or your fuel gauge might stay stuck on full or empty regardless of how much gas you just put in. The most likely causes for this are a stuck sensing arm inside the tank or an open circuit in the wiring harness caused by corrosion, which is very common at the fuel tank connections. To troubleshoot this, you should first search for any technical service bulletins for your specific car or truck, because some manufacturers, like Ford, have released software updates to fix false fuel level codes. You should get under the vehicle and inspect the electrical connector at the fuel tank for any signs of melted plastic or green corrosion on the metal pins, and use some electrical contact cleaner if they look dirty. You can use your digital volt ohm meter to check for a 5-volt or 12-volt reference signal at the harness, with the key on and the engine off. If the power and ground are both present, then you will likely need to drop the fuel tank and test the resistance of the sensor itself by moving the arm manually. You should definitely see a professional shop if you are not comfortable removing a heavy fuel tank or working around open gasoline, because it is a major safety hazard. Once you get that sensor communicating correctly again, your fuel gauge will be accurate, and you can drive with confidence, knowing exactly how many miles you have left before your next stop at the pump.